You know, the interesting thing about the Global Landscape Forum is it really is a network of organizations. And many of those organizations we know well. I guess the forum is really led by C4 and ECRAF, the Center for Forest Research and the Agroforestry Center in Nairobi. And we know both of them well, and we want to get closer to them. But also organizations like ITTO, the Tropical Timber Organization, or IUCN, the World Conservation Union. They're also members of the Global Landscape Forum. So it's good to be together with all these organizations that we know well, and to share information, to talk to each other, and to be part of the movement, I would say, for sustainable development through landscape management, landscape restoration. And a lot of that is to do with replanting. But of course, part of our message is plant bamboo. Think bamboo when you're talking about planting for climate change mitigation, planting to create a source of raw material, planting to create green cover of eroded soils. So it's important, I think, for us to be part of this global movement for landscape restoration and landscape management. And we're very happy to become a charter member of the Global Landscape Forum.